everyone. My name is Rans Reddy. I am studying second class. Happy Children's Day. Children's Day celebrated on November 14th. Every year it is birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the first Prime Minister of India and also freedom fighter and poet. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Lohitakshari Reddy. Happy Children's Day to all my friends. Every year we celebrate Children's Day. In 14th November, Children's Day celebrated on birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is first Prime Minister of India. He was great leader. He loves children very much. Children call him Nehru, Chacha Nehru. Once again I telling Happy Children's Day to all my friends. Bye.
Good morning everyone. My name is Chaitanya Praveen Reddy. I am studying second class. Today I am going to tell you about Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru was born on November 14, 1888 in Allahabad. His father's name was Pandit Motilal Nehru and mother's name was Swarupa Rani. Every year, Nehruji's birthday celebrated as Children's Day. He is also known as Chacha Nehru. He is the first Prime Minister of India. He is the first hoisted the tricolor flag at Red Fort. Thank you. Happy Children's Day. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening to all. My name is Damrup. Today I am telling about Children's Day. Every child is a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nehal Kumar. I am studying in second class. Today I am telling about Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru is first Prime Minister of India. He fought for freedom of India. He is called as Chacha Nehru because he loves children very much. He was born on November 14, 1889. His birthday celebrated as Children's Day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy Children's Day to all.
On November 14th, Nehru's birthday, we are celebrating Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day to all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bekat Kiram. I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14th every year in India. It is the birth of anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The future of the country depends on children. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. This is Neha. I am studying second class. First I wish you all a happy November in every year. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Thank you. Have a nice day. Everyone, my name is Pana from second day. Today I am telling about Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day on November 14th as a tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, was born on November 14th, 1889. He has a lovely bond with children. Children also loved him and called him Chacha Nehru. He also believed that children should have educated well. On Children's Day in school, we all conduct games, dramas and programs to remember Chacha Nehru. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Shreyas. Today I am going to tell about Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated because our first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. He was born in 1889. He loves children and roses. He wanted the children rights and education be increased. He thinks that the children are the strength and future of nation. We celebrate Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday as a festival in schools, and we also conduct sports and educational events and awarded winners. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Everyone, my name is Vikrant Reddy. Today I am telling about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He first Prime Minister of India. He likes children very much. Children called him Chachaji. He is born on 14th November 1889. His birthday celebrated as Children's Day every year. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is A. Tejas. I am studying in second class and telling about Children's Day. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. His father's name was Motilal Nehru, who was a good lawyer. Jawaharlal Nehru is the name that every Indian is aware of. Jawaharlal Nehru was quite famous among children due to means children called him Chacha Nehru. Since he loved children so much, the government celebrated his birthday, his Children's Day. Jawaharlal Nehru was great leader. He was a person of great love for the country. Jawaharlal Nehru is the first famous in the first Prime Minister of India. He was a great man, leader, politician and writer too. Thank you, ma'am. everyone. My name is KVS Kartikeya Reddy. Today I am studying in Quantum Leap School in 2nd class. Today I am telling about Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14. It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. He compared the children with birds of flowers. Children call him Chacha Nehru. I wish you Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepshika. Today's topic is about Diwali. Diwali is an Indian religious festival. It is the victory of good over evil. The lighting of diyas, candles and bursting of crackers is a part of Diwali celebrations. Diwali is also known as Deepavali. It means series of light. This festival is mainly celebrated on the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 15 years. People worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha on 3rd day of Diwali. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Mihira. I am in 2nd class. Today I am telling about Diwali. Diwali is also called as Deepavali. Diwali is grandest and biggest festival in India. Diwali is called Festival of Lights. In evening time, we do Lakshmi Puja. We keep diyas in outside and inside in our house. Have a safe Diwali. I wish you all Happy Diwali. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi everybody, my name is Sadhya. I am studying in 2nd class. Today I am here to tell you Happy Diwali. We celebrate with full of lights, full of crackers. And once again, Happy Diwali.
Hi friends, my name is Sarani. I am studying in 2nd class. Wish you very happy Diwali. My favorite festival, Diwali. We decorate houses, shops and offices with flowers, rangoli, lights. Bye friends. Wish you very happy Diwali.
I am Lakshmi, goddess of wealth and beauty. Happy Diwali. Diwali is festival of lights. Celebrate victory of good over evil. Be happy, be safe